Happy Tuesday, everybody. It is Texture Tag on Tuesday day number 2022. I'm not showing you what I did because it was not something I could do on camera very well, but go look at Jerry's videos on her Texture Tag on Tuesday number 22, and we did these buttonhole ring things. I didn't do the best of jobs. I did it last night while I was sitting. This one I started. Which one did I start with? Did I start with the blue one or the red one? I think I started the red one on here. This was a cap from a glue stick. But this cap was a good cap because it had all these indents in it. So I wrapped my thread. No, it must have been the other one. This one fits better. No, this one was, I think it was this one. I wrapped my threads around the cap, you know, like this, like that. You can't see. Okay, I wrapped my threads around the cap like this to start with. Just like that, to give it a little base, just like she did. But because it has these indents, it was easy for me to get my thread, my needle and thread up in here, and then do a buttonhole stitch, which is just a standard buttonhole stitch. I can't do it on here. Now I'm going to make a knot. I don't want a knot in my thread. Not in this one. Anyways, that's what I did. I did the buttonhole stitch all the way around this. So instead of being like on the edge of a buttonhole, it was on the around this this thread as a base, and it made a cute little buttonhole ring. We've got two of them. This one I made it around my fingers. And I just did it around my fingers like that. And then when I was stitching, I came up between here. That way I didn't pierce my threads. It got a little wonky. I'm okay with that. And I'm going to just put it on this previous texture tag that has the number 20, that has the use Inktense pencils to dye the fabric, and I'm just going to stick these on here as a decorative element. And I was going to sew them on. I don't know what I want to do. Oh, I've just made a knot in this thread. Of course I did, because I was showing you how I made that wonderful buttonhole knot, but not really. And what happened? Did I make an actual knot in this thread? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Anyways, Jerry does a much better job at explaining what she's doing and how to do it, and I just followed along. I encourage you to go check that out. And then, as you're watching this, yesterday would have been Jerry's birthday. The month of August is Jerry's birthday month. It's the same month of her birthday as my birthday. Mine's earlier in the month. We have passed by my birthday already, but hers is the month of August. Hers is, she said it was the 18th. Anyways, we're doing some special things for Jerry. For her birthday, she has requested a couple of things, and I think that's cool. I'm just going to stitch this on with this green thread. Can you guys even see what I'm doing? No, I am nowhere near my camera. What the heck? Okay, camera, move this way. Look, there I am. This is a lousy scissor. Does not cut at all. But I'm just going to pick this up. I have glued this to the back of here, and I'm just going to take a little tuck right here, and I'm just going to stitch that on there. And I'm going to go back through here, and I'm going to come up over here. And I'm just going to stitch that on with one little stitch right here. Like that. And this one can be over here because I can get my finger in there. So let's come up here. And maybe on this side of it into the buttonhole. Thing. And down. And I'm just going to go over to this side. And down in there. And I'm just going to tie that off in the back. And we'll just add this to that. Why not? Combine my things here. Is that perfect? No, but none of this is. But that gives me my little buttonhole thingies on here, so I can just add number 22. Buttonhole rings. Okay, so that's the end of that. Simple, easy. I can't show you much, and that's not going to make for a very interesting or long video. However, for her birthday, she requested that those of us who were following along, those of us who feel like we are her friends, that we gift her a piece of fabric that is about 5 inches square. Now, I know this piece of cloth is 5 inches. Is 5 inches this way? 5 inches this way. I don't know what it's going to be this way. I'm just going to cut it. I didn't have a piece of cloth that was yellow. She wants us to gift her some yellow dots. But I had this piece of cloth, so I used her technique of coloring with Inktense pencils. And I colored this piece of cloth with some Inktense pencil. I'm just going to cut this off here. Like that. And oh, she's not going to care if it's got the little strings. She kind of likes the little strings. And then she wanted a 2.5 to 3 inch round drawn in pencil. And I found that the inside of this piece of tape was exactly 3 inches. So I'm going to stick that on my cloth right here. The most yellow part. I added yellow Inktense, a little bit of orange, a little bit of green, and green yellow. And then there's my 3-inch circle lightly done in pencil. Then she wants us to draw or write inside this circle our name or our channel name and where we're from. And she's going to create a little something out of this. And I'm trying to decide, do I want to go draw tangles with... I think I'm going to do my name across this way. Yeah, I'm going to go around like that and then put my my actual name here and then my city in here. I'm going to use an Arteza fabric marker because that way I know it won't bleed. I think I want to put a little tangle in there. Can I draw it with yellow? I don't know if yellow will show up. Maybe an orange. Let me use the little corner of this cloth. The orange will show up. The yellow I don't think will show up. Let's use the orange. And I'm going to draw just a little simple just like that, and maybe see if I can get the yellow. Come on, yellow, come out. It does show up. Awesome. Just like that. I've given her a little circle, and then I will put my town down here for her. But that's what I've made for her. She'll know who I is that way. And a little birthday dot for Jerry. And I have some other things that I'm going to do. I'm going to do that on my other, not on texture tag day, But on my other one, my regular stuff, I'm going to make her a little card. I found some stuff at the thrift store, so I'm going to play with that. And I will see you guys on the next video. You won't see her greeting card one until the end of the month, maybe even at the 1st of September, because I've already drawn all the rest of most of the month. So there's that. All right. You guys have a blessed day. Happy birthday, Jerry. Go over to her channel, give her some love, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.